Imagine having your own high-performance computing server powering AI for your organization. With the new EK FluidWorks 4U8G Cascade Barebone, now you can. Designed for AI, cybersecurity, biomedical research, entertainment media, and beyond, it delivers the performance and flexibility needed to handle even the most demanding workloads. Engineered to fit the most GPU compute power in the smallest form factor possible, at least double what air-cooled systems can achieve, it sets a new standard for efficiency and capability. Thanks to EK's advanced water cooling technology, you can push your components to their fullest potential. This not only maximizes performance, but also saves you money by delivering professional-grade results, even with consumer GPUs. QDCs make maintenance fast, clean, and hassle-free, while a redundant power supply ensures uninterrupted operation, even under the heaviest loads. Developed with Silverstone, the chassis combines innovative engineering with rugged reliability, making it ready for any professional workload. It supports dual and single-socket motherboards and high-performance CPUs from Intel, AMD, and Ampere, offering unmatched scalability for your growing needs. With the new EK FluidWorks 4U8G Cascade Barebone, you don't just optimize space, you optimize value and maximize performance. It's the perfect solution for professionals ready to push boundaries.